everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. I haven't made a video in a while. That is due to the fact that I was in Turkey. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, then you would have known that I was in Turkey for almost 3 weeks. And I was in Istanbul, Çeşme, and Izmir, and I had an amazing time. I did vlog a little bit, but I'm going to work on that video and have it up for you soon. I also want to say a huge welcome to all my new subscribers. I noticed that I gained a few. Thank you so much for subscribing. It means so much to me. Love having you guys. And to my older subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. So I purchased a few things from Chanel, Guerlain, and NARS, but mainly their holiday collection. So I have some things that are from the holiday collection and some things that are just regular products from regular lines. So I started with Guerlain. They came out with their holiday collection, Crazy Paris, and I absolutely love the collection, so I purchased 2 items. The first item I purchased is the Guerlain Rouge Automatique, and this is in the number 660 Illusion, or Illusion if you're French. And it comes in this really gorgeous packaging, this really beautiful sleek black package with a neon cap. It's opened like that. I really love the packaging and I love the way it opens. The Rouge Automatique is like a reminiscence of that vintage lipstick that you could just open with one hand. And this is a gorgeous sparkling plum. And if you follow me for a long time, you know that plums and fuchsias and purples, those berry tone colors just look really beautiful on my skin tone. So this is what it looks like. And here's the swatch. This was clearly a must-have for me. I also purchased a new Guerlain Meteorites. It's called Crazy Pearls. And the Meteorites is one of my signature products. I have done many videos talking about the Guerlain Meteorites. I collect them. Sometimes I skip out on a collection if it doesn't really look good on my skin tone, or maybe the colors I already have in my collection. And this is what the gorgeous packaging looks like. It has Champs-Élysées written all around. And on the top, just gorgeous. Loving that sleek black packaging. The Meteorites has a combination of 6 different pearls, and this is what it looks like. It has beige pearls, gold pearls, like a purple white pearl. All of them fused together just give your skin a really natural luminous glow, and this is what I'm wearing today on my face. I used it as an all-over face powder. You can also use it as a highlighter and kind of concentrate that color on the high parts of your cheekbones, and it's really gorgeous. I can't say enough good about the Meteorites. I am so excited that for the spring collection they have reformulated the Meteorites, and I'm looking forward to adding the new one to my collection. So those were the 2 products that I got from Guerlain. On to NARS. My sister and I FaceTime like almost every day, and we both were excited about the Guy Bourdon collection. And I ordered 2 things, one from the Guy Bourdon collection and one thing from the Permanent collection. So my highlight for the Guy Bourdon collection was definitely the blush. So the blush is called Courbatin. On the inside of the box, the classic NARS packaging, and this blush is really beautiful. This blush was definitely a must-have for my sister and I. We raved about this blush and it is gorgeous, and I would have regretted missing out on this blush. It's a beautiful magenta. So I was speaking to my sister about her favorite NARS duo because she has a beautiful collection of NARS products. If you don't know who my sister is, she is Macaholic22, and I'll leave a link to her channel down below. One of our favorite NARS duo is Cordura, and I was looking for a gorgeous dark brown with kind of a shimmer to it, and this is perfect to create that gorgeous smoky eye or neutral eye. I just love the colors. So this is what the colors look like. Here on this side you have a shimmering rich brown, and on this side you have a beautiful dark brown, a shimmering dark brown, and I really love these two colors together. I can't wait to play around with them. I'll give you a close-up of it because it's not really showing through the color because of my lighting. It looks way lighter than it actually is. Cordura is a part of the permanent collection, so you can get this at any time. Moving on to Chanel, I only purchased one product from the Chanel holiday collection, and that is their 5-color palette, Charming. I thought that this was the star of the collection, so I had to pick it up. If you're a Chanel collector or enthusiast, definitely recommend you do if the collection is still available. The palette comes with 2 applicators, and this is what the colors are. They are really beautiful colors, wearable colors, and the colors go from a soft beige to a deep matte purple, and they are so beautiful. I thought that this palette really reminded me of my Urban Decay palette. In my opinion, I think it's Chanel's version of the Naked palette. I think this palette suits a lot of skin tones. They are beautiful, wearable colors. And if you're like me and you travel and you want to have everything compact, then this is the palette for you because you can definitely go from a neutral eye to a smoky eye. So let's have a close-up of the colors. So the colors include a soft beige, metallic beige, bronze khaki, bronze brown, and a gorgeous dark matte purple, which I love so much. I'm very happy that I picked up this beautiful palette, and it also makes a wonderful Christmas gift. So if you still have it available to you, definitely check it out. I didn't purchase anything really from the Chanel fall collection, and somebody wrote me in a comment asking me if I was gonna pick up any of the nail polishes from the collection, and I wasn't sure if I really wanted anything, you know, because I do try to keep a well-edited makeup collection and nail polish collection. I really don't want to go overboard. If you see my makeup collection, then you know I like it well edited. Then I started thinking about this beautiful color called Alchemy, and it's the number 591, and it is a really beautiful color, and I definitely would have regretted missing out on this. This is a gorgeous golden khaki with beautiful olive green shimmer coming through, and it looks really gorgeous. I can't wait to wear this. I still haven't worn it yet, but it is so beautiful. Definitely would have regretted missing out on that. Onto the fragrances from Chanel. I love Chanel fragrances, and I picked up a couple of them. I also posted a picture on, I think, Facebook and Twitter of my new Coco Noir, and I'm going to do a separate review on that for you guys. Now onto the fragrances that I picked up. I picked up Coco Mademoiselle, and I also picked up Chance au Tendre. So beginning with the Coco Mademoiselle, I picked up their purse spray, and this was inspired by one of my lovely YouTube friends. Her channel name is Raquel of Miami, and I will leave a link to her channel below for you. And I saw that she had the purse sprays, There are 3 refills in the box and each refill is 20 milliliters. So this is what it looks like, and it also comes with the instruction here on top. So 1 refill is already in this package. In order for you to exchange the refills, it's very easy. All you have to do is to twist the cap, then the spray comes up, and then you just pull it out just like that. Very easy. And then you unscrew this cap and just attach it to this part. Put it in, make sure it's secure, and then you just twist and it's closed. Twist and spray. Coco Mademoiselle is one of my signature scents, and it has beautiful notes that I love of orange, bergamot, and grapefruit. And the thing for me is that it also has other notes that include jasmine, rose, and vanilla, and I just love the way they all gel together. So this was definitely a must-have for me. So I also purchased the 200 milliliter bottle of Coco Mademoiselle, again because it is my signature scent. I go through a bottle and a half each year, and I did the math and it just worked out a lot better in the 200 ml for me. Now, I don't recommend that you go out and buy a 200 milliliter bottle of perfume unless you definitely love it. So this is a 200 milliliter, which is 6.8 fluid ounces. I really love the size of the bottle. I think it's going to look absolutely gorgeous on my vanity. And just to give you a size comparison, this is the 100 milliliter bottle, which is the 3.4 ounces. And here you go, this is the size comparison. This is how they are. I finished up a full bottle this year and I started on the second one, and you can see I'm almost done. So a bottle and a half of this I go through every year. And I think I'm gonna keep the bottle too when I'm finished because I just love them. On to my last Chanel scent. This is the Chance Au Tendre. I just really love the box. It's so cute. This is what the scent looks like. This is the 150 milliliters, which is 5 fluid ounces. And I also love this scent because it is a spring summer scent, but I decided to get it now because I was traveling and it was cheaper to buy it. Now, this is another scent from Chanel with grapefruit, white musk, and jasmine, which I absolutely love. And with this scent, you can definitely smell the amber and the jasmine. Is just gorgeous. It's a very young scent and it's fresh and floral and feminine, and I just love it. And this is also going to look beautiful on my vanity in this size. If you're wanting to try out any of the Chanel scents, I definitely recommend the Coco Mademoiselle and the Chance Au Tendre. So that's it for my haul. Don't forget to like this video. I love you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye everyone.